Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So कैसे हैं? सब बढ़िया, सब ठीक. Okay, so in today's class we are going to means in today's video we are going to learn about index number. So what is index number? Simple. The number which is index number. क्या बात है सर. Okay, so see the index number. So what we have to do in this index number is nothing but a comparison. What we have to do in index number, we have to do a comparison. Okay, so what comparison? Okay, fine, we will do the comparison. Okay, but what comparison? So here we will do the comparison based on time. So comparison based on time. Based on time means the previous year and the current year. Yes. So what is index number? Index number is a comparison. Index number is what? Index number is a comparison. But like, okay, fine, we'll do the comparison, but upon which basis? So based on time. We have to do the index number comparison based on time. So what time? Previous year and the current year. Means you have to do the comparison based on the previous year and current year. Sorry, not based on time. So we will do the comparison of previous year to current year. Okay. So see here, whenever we will do the comparison from the previous year to the current year, previous year is also called as base year. Okay, so you can write, this is important, the previous year is also called as base year and the current year. Okay, suppose the 2 year is given 1990 and 2000. So in this, which is the previous year and which is the current year? Yes, correct. Previous year means the previous year. So 1990 is the previous year and 2000 is the current year. So previous is also called as base year. Okay. Now the very important thing, see in the question, if they will not mention, they will say that 1990 and 2000. So obviously we know that previous year is 1990 is the previous year and 2000 is the current year. But if suppose by chance sometime what they will do in the examination, they will mention like 1990 and 2000 are the given year in which 2000 is the previous year, or keep 2000 as base year. If they will say here, guys, very important thing, if they will not mention which is the previous year, which is the base year, then we will use our small brain and we'll get the answer. What we will get the answer is the 1990 will be the previous year and 2000 is the current year. Okay, but sometime in the examination what they will do, they will give like take 2000 as current year or consider 2000 as base year. So when they will give like this, so you have to use this, then this will become the base year and this will become the current year. Okay, that time in the examination hall, don't fight with your friends. Okay, the friend is sitting there, you are started fighting in the examination hall only. Why? That you are get confused again. Sir has told like 2000 is the current year, 1990 is the base year, but the thing is, in the question they will change it. Okay, and they have changed it. So after coming from the examination, the student are calling me, sir, what is this, sir? You told that 1990 is the previous year. They are given 2000 is the previous year. So what to do? Take, if they will give the 2000 as the previous year, take 2000 as the previous year or 2000 as the base year. Then 1990 will become the current year. Okay, now here, now we get to know the comparison is based on time. Time is the previous year and current year. Previous year is also called as base year. Now what we will do the comparison? What thing we will do the comparison? So we will do the comparison for the three things: price, which is P, then quantity, which is Q, and value, which is V. Here also same, price is the P, quantity is the Q, value is the V. Okay, now the very important thing is, remember the thing guys, if it is previous year, see, if I will write like this, price means previous year price, right? This is the price for previous year and this is the price for current year. So previous year price means P naught. Naught indicates for previous year and current year price is P1. 1 indicates for current year. Remember this thing. Okay. What to remember? The previous year is denoted by naught. Like price, like base year price or previous year price is P naught. Current year price is P1. Previous year quantity means Q naught. Current year quantity means Q1. Previous year value means V naught. Current year value means V1. That's it. Okay. Because sometime in the examination they will not give, just they will write the previous year price. They will write the price, previous year, current year. So you have to know that price previous year means P naught. Price current year means P1. Okay. Okay, what is like, we will compare the price what? Quantity of, sorry. Price means price of any product, right? So price of any product which is on the previous year, how much it was, and in the current year, suppose the price of anything like t-shirt or shoes. Okay, price of any shoes in 2 years, like 2022, the price of that shoes is 3,000. Okay, now in 2024 the price of that shoes become 5,000. So what is this? This is the comparison for the previous year to the current year and based upon price. Price means what? Price means the any product price, articles price. Okay, that. Then quantity guys, we know, right? Quantity means like quantity of any goods. Okay, so quantity of any goods manufactured, how much it manufactured in the like 2000 and how much it manufactured in 2024, right? So like this quantity. Okay, value means transaction of money. Value is nothing but transaction of money. Remember the thing, value is what? Value is about the transaction of money. Okay, so now we'll write the few things. Okay, first write on the chapter name, index number, and after that just write on this much. Previous year is also a base year, and next is current year, and write on this. Price for the previous year is P naught, price for the current year is P1, quantity for the base year is Q naught, quantity for the current year is Q1, value for the base year is V naught, value for the current year is V1. Write this much, okay, and just understand the concept. The concept is, if they will give the base year, you have to take that year only as the base year, other will become a current year. If they are not given, then the lowest will be the current year and the highest, the latest will be, lowest will be the previous year or the base year and highest will be the current year. And here theory is very important, so you'll write down the theory. See, index number definition is what? Okay, we'll write. An index number, wait a minute. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, yeah, what index number? So an index number is a statistical device. Why? Because we are using in statistics, so it's an index number is a statistical device An index number is a statistical device designed to compare. An index number is a statistical device designed to compare a group of related variables. See, group of related variable means we'll compare the price with price, quantity with quantity, value with value. So that's why they said an index number is a statistical device designed to compare a group of related variables. Means price. Group of related means price with only price. You can't compare the price and quantity, right? Price of previous year and the price of current year. Quantity of previous year and the quantity of current year. So that's why they say group of related variable. Over a period of time. Over a period of time, we know it will based upon the time only. Over a period of time, we know it is based upon the time only. Now next is, okay, fine, we get to know. Okay, so here what is we get to know about this thing: price, quantity and value. Price means, yes, the product price, okay, or article price, like we'll compare for the base year and the current year. Next is quantity. Quantity means quantity of goods manufactured or quantity of goods sold, whatever. So quantity means quantity of goods or quantity of anything compared to the previous year and current year. Next is value. Value means transaction of money. Value means transaction of money. Okay, guys, in the uses, see, uses of index number is what? First is used as barometer. So you can write there. Okay, heading is uses of index number. First one is used as a barometer. Second one is like used in making policy. Third number is used in knowing the trends, like how the trends, because if you compare the previous year and the current year, you will know the trends. Okay, knowing the purchasing power of money. These all points you have to write it down. Okay, very important. Now, useful in comparison in what? Price, demand, supply, quantity. Okay, and limitation, because we know for everything we have a limitations. So write on the limitations means index number are affected by formula error or sampling error, because some formula error will happen, it will get affected. Why it will get affected? Because index number totally depends upon the formula. No tricks, nothing. Okay, no conditions. They will ask the directly they will ask the method. You have to substitute the formula. You have to write down the formula, substitute the values, you'll get the answer. Okay, and here second limitation are many formulas are used. Yes guys, lots of formulas are used for construction of index number. Third number is it indicates only the general trend, not the actual trend, because we don't know the actual trend whether in the next few years it will increase or decrease. Just we are assuming based upon the previous year and now the current year, we will compare, and just we are assuming the general trend. We don't know the actual trend whether now in 2024 it is increasing. Okay, suppose any price for 2000 of any product, price of any product in 2000 is decreasing, but 2024 it is increasing. What will happen 2024? Maybe increase or decrease. We don't know the actual trend, just will go on the general trend. Okay, these are the things, so you have to write it down. Okay, so listen, pause, write it down, listen, pause, write it down, because you can't miss the theory of index number. See, I will tell you what will happen. Wait a minute. I will tell you what will happen if you will miss the theory of index number. Means theory of stats. If you will miss the theory of stats, nothing will happen, guys. Second attempt. So in second attempt you will not miss. Okay, see, whatever the mistakes you will do in the first attempt, in second attempt you will not do. So that's why they will give the 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts. Like they know the student will do some experiment. Okay, Yeah, they will do mistakes. So next attempt they will understand. Then they will not do mistakes. समझ गए? Okay. Now guys, there are lots of method for constructing index number. So just remember the method name. No need of remembering anything. Just remember the method name. Whatever I am giving here, remember ashte. Okay, now we will write the heading methods of constructing sir. Are you constructing G? Methods of constructing index number G. Index numbers. Okay. Methods of constructing index number G are याद रखना. Remember the thing G. Index number is also called as price index number. Index number को price index number भी बोलते हैं जी. Okay. See, because okay. See, because what will happen? Because sometime in the examination they will say index number. Okay, like suppose I'm just telling you, calculate the last Perry's index number. So what will happen if they will say index number, or some student will forget, they're like, oh shit, what is index number, what is index number, what is the last Perry's index number? Then they will say that, sir, you have not given the formula of last Perry's index number, you have given the formula of last Perry's price index number. So remember the thing, if they will say last Perry's index number, or if they will say last Perry's price index number, both are same. The index number and price index number both are same. Yeah, same but different. Same but different. Here no different. Here same. So index number is also called as price index number. Okay. Yeah, first method is they will say simple average. Okay. Simple average, or they will say simple arithmetic mean. Okay, or they will say simple aggregative, because both is what are same. Aggregative. Index number method. Index number is what? What? Index number is price index number. So see, in the question sometime, in the examination sometime they will ask, find the simple average index number method, or sometime they will say simple arithmetic mean index number, or simple aggregative index number method. All are same, because we know average is what? Arithmetic mean or aggregative, all are same. So this formula is, just remember the name and the method name and the formula. That's it. Right. Just a minute. Okay. First is simple average, or simple arithmetic mean, or simple mean, or simple aggregative index number method. So index number method means price index number. Guys, see here, very important thing. Index number method is what? Index number method or price index number method, both are same. So we are talking about price. So price is P, and what we will compare? We will compare from base year to current year, previous year to current year. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1. We will not compare from current year to previous year. We will compare from previous year to current year. So that's why 0 to 1 every time. Index number, it will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1, because we are comparing from base year to current year. So price index number or index number, so price, so that's why we are using P, which indicates the price index number. Okay, price and index number is 0 to 1, base year to current year, is equals to, formula is summation of P1 by summation of P0 into 100. Simple aggregative method. Okay, means in the question they will give the price for the base year and they will give the price for the current year. So what is summation of P1? Means whatever the price, you have to add all that summation. This is a summation of P1. And then same for the P0, the price for the base year, you have to add all, that is a summation of P0. So summation of P1 here divided by summation of P0 into 100. So guys, remember the thing, whenever you multiply by 100, it will be a percentage. So either in the option they will give percentage or they will not give the percentage, but you have to just see the values. Okay, these are the first method. Now we'll come for the second method. Second method is second method is simple relative method. Simple relative method. See, in maths also relative will come. Everywhere in life the relative will be there. Relatives, relatives, relatives. And where our life will get spoiled, you know, when we will try to impress others, when we try to impress the relatives. So remember in your mind, never ever try to impress anyone. The thing what you have to sit and see is whether what the thing you are doing, okay, from that thing you are happy, your family is happy. First, if you will get married, when your child, your family means child, wife, mother, father, everything, so everyone will come. So you have to see the two things only. You are happy, your family is happy, that's it, done. Done for your life. You have to make these two only happy. Don't try to make the friends happy, girlfriends, boyfriends. Girlfriend will never become happy. Every time they will become angry. You will do little thing. You will do little thing. You will do little thing. They are like, you know, balloon. Every time they are like. Okay. So and relatives. Okay. For them the one word is they start from C. That is only. Okay. Hey, not that word. Classless. Okay, not that word. Okay, so our life will get spoiled there only. Where पता है? First thing is चार लोग क्या सोचेंगे? Leave them, let them think. Who cares? Second thing is the relatives. See, if I will tell you one thing, okay. Suppose you have written any exam. Okay, suppose any exam like CA exam, we are studying about CA, so I'll take the CA or CMA or CS or JE exam or NEET exam or BI or take UPSC. Bhai sahab, UPSC, bhai sahab. See, whatever exam you will clear, okay. Suppose whenever you will write the exam, two things will happen. Either you will get clear or moe moe. Moe moe means moe moe. So if you see, if happen moe moe will happen with you, obviously the relatives will make you depressed. It will make you under the pressure. Like, yes, he has not studied. I said na, it is not a cup of like tea for you. It is not easy. It will be difficult. You cannot able to clear like that and all. They will say, okay. If you will not clear means obviously all the relatives will keep on telling you everything, whatever in their mind they will keep on telling you. Okay, if suppose you will clear, suppose you will clear the exam, for that also they will not appreciate. Okay, what they will say, the first thing they will say that they will take the credit. Okay, they will only take the credit, like, yes, I know, I have seen the potential in him or her. I know that this guy is going to clear, he or she is going to clear. I know this. I know from starting of the day that he or she will clear. Second thing what they will say, leave, this time question paper was so much easy as compared to previous year questions, so that's why he or she can clear. He or she cleared. Okay. Third thing what they will say, leave, in the examination hall, you know, all the cheating and all will be happening. Okay, so like that only they will clear. Fourth thing what they will say, by mistake it get clear. You can, the luck, the tukka, by like that it cleared. So this, they will keep on saying the lots of reasons, the all reasons one relatives will keep on saying you. And what you have to do? Ignore it. Listen from this ear, from this ear, outside. So that's why God has given the 2 ear. Listen from one ear, another ear to pass out. Okay. So like that, don't try to impress. Because if you will impress the 10%, another 5 will get depressed. If you want to impress another 5%, another 3%. If you will impress another 3, another 4%. So what you will leave the life, you will spoil your life in impressing others only. Okay. So don't impress. Okay, whatever they will say, say, your mouth, say. My ear I will listen, from one ear I will pass. Okay, I will make it to pass. So don't worry about them. Okay. So next is simple relative method. Simple relative method, the formula is same. Simple relative method means, I will write it here, simple relative. Okay, I will write so you will not understand, means you will not get confused. Simple relative index number method. Simple relative index number method. Same guys, index number means price index number. So price index number means P, right? Price means P, index number is 0 to 1 because we will compare from base year to current year, is equals to, now very important. See, in the question they will give the P1 and in the question they will give the P0. P1 is the current year price, P0 is the base year price. What you have to do, you have to take a one more column. You have to take a one more column. In this column you have to find P1 divided by P0. What you have to do? P1 value divided by P0 value. Whatever you will get, multiply with 100. Okay, same here, P1 value divided by P0 value. See this, P1 value divided by P0 value, whatever you will get, multiply with 100. So and then for this you will find the summation. Okay, P1 divided by P0 into 100 you will write here. Same again, P1 divided by P0 into 100 you will write here. So what is the formula will be, and then you will find all this. So summation of P1 by P0 into 100 and capital N divided by capital N. Capital N is nothing but the number of items, number of commodities. Okay, like that. And guys, anti-log and log, don't read that. Okay, because you don't, means they will not allow you to take the scientific calculator. So log, anti-log is not possible. Okay, and they will not give you the log table also. Okay, here we will write the few point. In unweighted index number, what is the meaning of unweighted? Yes, unweighted means weight is not included. Sorry guys, unweighted means weight will not be included. In unweighted index number, what will happen? In unweighted index number, the weights are not included. The weights are not included, or the weights are not assigned, or the weights are not taken. Okay. Next thing is okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Now I will write index number. Expressed as a percentage. Why? Because we will multiply with 100. But as I have said you, in the option, sometimes they will give percentage, sometimes they will not give percentage. So don't get confused. Just see the values. This is for the objectives. Okay. Okay. Now unweighted number is done. Simple aggregating. Okay. This one next. The index, the index for the base year. Okay, the index for the base year is always taken as 100. The index for the base year, they will ask this thing in the MCQ, the objective. Okay, the index for the base year is what? Index for the base year is always taken as 100. Now you will ask why we will take the 100. We will take the 100 because it is expressed as percentage. Percentage is what? Percentage is 100. Okay, so next is in weighted index number. In weighted index number, what will happen? Yes, the weights are included, or the weights are assigned, or the weights are given. Okay, or the weights are taken. So in unweighted index number, weights are not included. In weighted index number, weights are included. So we have learned till now, we have learned the two methods. First is the simple average or aggregative or arithmetic mean index number method. Another we have learned is simple relative index number method. Now we will go for the third one. Okay, now remember, this is the name. Next is Laspeyres index number. Index number or price index number. Yes, both are same. Okay, so Laspeyres index number. Laspeyres index number. See, index number is a price index number. So price index number is denoted by P, and this is the Laspeyres. So PL, Laspeyres price index number. Okay, yeah, which is equal to summation of P1 by Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. Okay, now see, in the question they will give the base year price, current year price, base year quantity, current year quantity. Everything they will give in the question itself. What you have to do? You have to make a one column in which you will find this P1 Q naught. Just guys, don't find all the things. Just write down the formula. Okay, whatever they will say, write down its formula, and according to the formula you have to find. Okay, see, in the examination, in the question paper, they will give this thing. So again, don't write this thing in the rough. What you will write? Only this, the new column what you will make. So what are the two new column you will make is P1 Q naught. First column we will make P1 Q naught, another column is P naught Q naught. So these two columns we will make, because for finding the Laspeyres index we want this only, so we'll make this two column. Okay, so P1 Q naught, P naught Q naught. So what we will do, P1 into Q naught, whatever you will get here, then P1 into Q naught here, then P1 into Q naught here. So like that you will add that summation is this summation of P1 Q naught divided by P naught Q naught is what? Same, P naught into Q naught here, then P naught into Q naught here, then P naught into Q naught here. So that summation is summation of P naught Q naught, okay, into 100. So this is for the Laspeyres index number. Okay, so in Laspeyres index number, what we have to remember? In Laspeyres index number, we have to remember is weight. See, these are the things for the theory. As I have said that we are not going to leave the theory. Weight assigned are base year. Weight assigned are base year quantities. See, this thing they will ask in the objective. Like for Laspeyres price index number, weight assigned are base year quantity. Weight assigned are base year quantities. Okay, where is done. Now we will come for the next The fourth one. Yeah, I know the names are very much typical. Next, the fourth one is purchase index number. Purchase index number or price index number, both are same. Yes, sir. So index number is denoted by P, or price index number is P, or purchase is P. So PP, purchase price index number, which is equals to summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Same we have to do. P0, P1, Q0, Q1, everywhere, everything they will give. You have to make a two table. One is P1, Q1, means you will take the value of P1 into Q1, you will write here. Then again P1 value into Q1 value, right here. Then that summation is P1, Q1 here. Summation of P1, Q1. Next we will make P0, Q1. So same we will take the P0 value into Q1 value, we will write here. Then again P0 value and then the Q1 value we will write here, multiply, then its summation will get is P0 Q1 into 100. Okay, yes sir. So here what we will write, here we will write weight assigned. Okay, weights assigned are current, weight assigned are current year quantities. So very important guys, they will ask in the examination. Next, see if you remember the PL and PP means last Paris and pastries. So other three is there, Dorbish, Fisher, Marshall, Edgeworth. Okay, so other three you can remember from here only. Okay, next we will go is Dorbish, Boily, Dorbish, Boily or Boli, whatever you can say, index number. Okay, so the formula is very easy. So P index number, Dorbish DB. Okay, Dorbish Boli DB index number. So what we have to do, we will first find the PL. So we'll write the PL value. Then we will find the PP. We'll write the PP value divided by 2. Means PL value plus PP value divided by 2. That is the Dorbish Boli index number. So Dorbish Boli, what it will say that means Dorbish Boli means it is, I will write, okay, Dorbish Boli index number is arithmetic mean of what? Arithmetic mean of PL and not the PL, sorry. Arithmetic mean of L means last Paris and pastries. Okay, so these are the important things they will ask in the MCQ. It is means Dorbish Boily index number is the arithmetic mean of last Paris and pastries. Okay, now we'll write the next 1 2 3 4 5 6 number. 6 number is Marshall Edgeworth index number. Marshall Edgeworth index number. So Marshall Edgeworth index number means price index number is a P. So ME, not me. Marshall Edgeworth. So see the very easy formula. You have a PL formula, right? So we'll write the numerator of PL. Okay, numerator of PL. This is a PL plus PP. Numerator of PL divided by denominator of PL means what is this? This is a PL plus PP. Numerator of PP divided by denominator of PP. Okay, into 100. That's it. See, PL plus PP. Okay, but don't do like this, PL plus PP. Moi will happen. This is the all plus, means PL value plus PP value. Okay, here we will write weight assigned are the average of base year and current year quantities. Average of base year and current year quantities. Okay, now the next and the last one, 7th, is the Fisher. Okay, not last one more is there. Fisher's ideal index number. Fisher's ideal index number. See, Fisher's ideal index number is what? PF. Fisher, okay, index number is what we will find the PL into PP, its square root. Okay, PL value into PP value, its square root. That's it. So first we'll find the PL and PP. So see what we get to know. Till we get to know that for finding all these, all the 5, right? Laspeyres, Pastries, then what? Dorbish-Boyle, Marshall-Edgeworth, and the Fisher index number. So for finding all these, what we want? We want only Laspeyres and Laspeyres and Pastries. If you will know if you will find out the PL and PP, if you know the formula of PL and PP, means Laspeyres and Pastries. If you know the Laspeyres and Pastries formula, you can able to find the all formula, because Dorbish is what? PL plus PP by 2. Fisher is what? PL into PP square root. Correct? Yes, sir. Now next is what? Marshall. Marshall is what? PL plus PP. Means numerator of PL plus numerator of PP, then numerator of PL plus numerator of PP. That's it. See, the thing is, understand the formula, otherwise you have to by heart a lot and lots of formula. Okay, so which is not good. Okay, now 7th is done. We'll come for the 8th one. See, we have a 2 types. First, now we are studying about what? Index number. Index number is what? Price index number, right? Index number is what? Price index number. Now after it we'll study same thing, all quantity index number. Okay, so the last one, 8th. So you have to remember the method name. So there are 8 method for index number or price index number, then the same 8 method for quantity index number. Okay, so see, in the examination you have to read the question carefully, because sometimes they will say find the Laspeyres index number. It's okay, you will find the index number. Sometimes they will say Laspeyres price index number, or sometimes they will say Laspeyres quantity index number. Guys, I saw the student have did a lot of time mistakes. What they will do, they will read the question, okay, Laspeyres, they will use the Laspeyres price index method. Okay, price index number method, but there they have written Laspeyres quantity index number method. So formula are different for price index number and formula are different for quantity index number. So you have to read there whether it is a price index number or index number, whether it is quantity index number. Okay, because if you will see the quantity, you will think that okay, price index number, when you will find there by knowingly they will give a 1 value. Okay, so you will tick that value. What will happen? Second attempt. Otherwise, where you will tick option number D, none of these. So again, what will happen? Moe. Yes, I know, but second attempt. Okay, fine. Now next is, guys, whenever they will say weighted, we have only one formula. Okay, weighted. So what is the formulas we have? Means what is the method? What is the method we have studied? First is the simple average or arithmetic or aggregative index number method. Second is simple relative index number method. Third is Las-Paris, Pasch's, Dorbish, Marshall, Fisher, and weighted aggregative. So 8. The same thing. Last we are writing the index number, right? First what we have studied, simple average or simple arithmetic mean or simple aggregative index number method. After that we will study the simple same average, simple arithmetic mean, simple aggregative quantity index number method. Okay, so it will change from price index to quantity index. So weighted aggregative method. Weighted aggregative, we'll write index number method. Index number method. Weighted aggregative index number method. See, formula is same, P01. Now see what you have to do. In the question they will give the P0, in the question they will give the P1, and in the question they will give the Q, quantity. Okay, sorry, not not the Q, they will give the weight. Yes, because this is the what, this is the weight, so they will give the weight. So what you have to do, you have to make a one column. So formula is this. In the numerator I will say, in the denominator is summation of W, means this W, you will add that summation. Okay, see in the numerator what you have to do, you have to make a one column. You have to make a one column. What you have to do, see, P1 divided by P1 divided by P0 into 100. What you will do, P1 value divided by P0 value, whatever you will get, multiply with 100, whatever you will get, multiply with W. So this is the column where you will write. This is the column of what, P1 by P0 into 100 into W. So what you will do, you will take the P1 value divided by the P0 value, whatever you will get, multiply with 100, whatever you will get, multiply with W. So you will write here. So this summation is here. Okay, so many students, they will do summation of W into this. No, what you have to find, first you have to find the P1 value divided by P0 value, whatever you will get, multiply with 100, whatever you will get, same multiply with W. So that you will write here. So that summation is here. Okay, yes sir. So this is the 8 method for index number method, or you can say the price index number method. And the same thing we will write this 8 for the quantity index number. Now we'll write for the quantity index number. Guys, see, nothing have changed. Only what the thing will change, I will say you. Yes, रुको जरा सब्र करो. Quantity index number. Quantity index number. So till now we have studied the price index number. Now it is a quantity index number. So what is the difference? See, the difference is very simple. The formula will remain same, but what the thing will change in the price index number. Okay, price is P, index number is 01, right? Because it will compare from base year to current year. So price index number, what will happen, wherever we will use the two things. Till now we have used the two things, P and Q, price and quantity. So what will happen in quantity index number? See, quantity is Q. What is this? Quantity is Q. Index number means 01, because we will compare from previous year to current year. So in quantity index number, what will happen? So in price index number, wherever P is there, it will get replaced by Q, and wherever Q is there, it will get replaced by P. That is the only it will happen, changing from price index number to quantity index number. Let's see what we will see. Okay, we'll see all the 8 values. Okay, first is what? First is same, simple average. Wait. First is what? First is simple average or simple arithmetic mean or simple aggregative. Okay, simple average or simple arithmetic mean or simple aggregative. quantity index number, because this is for index number, so we'll write quantity index number only. So simple average or arithmetic mean or simple relative quantity index method is what? Quantity index number method is, we'll write with Q01 because quantity index number. See, price index number what? Summation of P1 by summation of P0 into 100. So quantity will what will happen? Summation of Q1 by summation of Q0 into 100. Okay, they will give the base year quantity, they will give the current year quantity, add all, that summation. Because we know wherever P is there in price index number, we will replace by Q for the quantity index number, and wherever the Q is there for price index number, we will replace by P for the quantity index number. Okay. Now next, second formula. Second formula was what? Yes, the second formula was simple relative method. Second formula was simple relative method. What will happen? What will happen? Tell. Yes. Very good. So what will happen? Same will write Q01. Guys, simple relative method for what? Quantity index number. So read in the question. The method name will remain same. Just at the last. Price index number means we'll use the price index number formula. Quantity index number means we'll use the quantity index number formula. So method, remember the thing, guys. Method will remain same. Method will remain same. Method same, 8 method for price index number, same 8 method for quantity index number. But what you have to see? You have to see at the last whether it is a price index number or whether it is a quantity index number. Price index number means we'll use the price index number, quantity index number means we'll use the quantity index number. See why I am giving more pressure for this? Because in the examination you will do the mistake in there only. You will overlook. For quantity index number you will find price index number. Second attempt. In second attempt you will not do this mistake. Okay. So simple relative method means summation of, just match the formula for the price index number and quantity index number. What we are doing, we are just changing P with Q and Q with P. Summation of that was P1 by P0. So the same Q1 by Q0 into 100. And method, guys, same as I have explained. How we'll find the method for price index number means how this same we'll do for quantity index number. Just in price index number we was doing P1 value divided by P0 value into 100. Okay, that we was writing here. Here what will happen in this? Q1 value divided by Q0 value into 100, we will write it here. Okay, same for the, what you can say, the method will remain same, and the more you will get clarified when we will do the problems. Not your problems. Now the third one is what? Last pair is quantity, last pair is quantity index number, index method. Last pair is quantity index method means QL, quantity index is Q, last pair is L, QL. What is the formula? Yes, see what was the formula? Formula was summation of P1 Q0. So we'll write summation of, in place of P it will become P1. So Q1, yes, P0 divided by summation of Q0 P0 into 100. Okay, now fourth one is purchase quantity index method. Purchase quantity index method. Last pair is called Q1 P0 by Q0 P0 into 100. Last pair is purchase. Purchase is what? QP, because the index number purchase index number. So it will be summation of Q1 P1 divided by summation of Q0 P1 into 100. This is the formula. Guys, and one thing. See, sometime in the examination what they will do, by knowingly they will give the values. They will not give the tables. They will not give P0, value, P1 value, Q0 value, Q1 value. They will not give. They will give directly values, this value. Okay, so see what we have learned in the formula is summation of Q1 P1, right? But there they will give, in place of this they will give this summation of P1 Q1. Okay, or in place of this summation of Q1 P0, what they will give? They will give summation of P0 Q1. So don't get confused and don't tell there that sir formula is wrong. Sorry, the givens are wrong, the question are wrong. No, no, no. Question will never be wrong. See what they have did here. In place of Q1 P1, they have written P1 Q1. So what is the difference? Nothing, because guys it is a multiply. You will take first Q1 value then P1 value, or you can take P1 value then Q1 value. What is? See, in a multiply, if you will do 2 into 3, you will get 6, or you can do 3 into 2, same 6. So Q1 P1, or you can write P1 Q1, both are same. You can write Q1 P0, or you can write P0 Q1, both are same. So remember this thing. After passages, we will come next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th Dorbish. See, quantity index number Dorbish. We know guys, right? Dorbish, Q means quantity index number. What is that? We know that, yes, not a PL. QL plus QP by 2. Right, yes. Okay. Next is what? Yes. Next, the 6th one is QME. M means what? Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. That's it. So what we will write? Yes, same we will write QL value plus QP value. So QL value means numerator, summation of Q1 P0 divided by denominator, summation of Q0 P0. Same here. The numerator, this QP, summation of Q1 P1 divided by summation of Q0 P1 into 100. Okay. Now the 7th one is what? QF. QF is what? Fisher quantity index number. So it will be same. What we'll do? Yes, QL into QP square root. We'll get the answer. Ashte. Okay, and last is what? Yes. Last one will become, last one is for weighted, what? Weighted aggregative. Same, weighted aggregative of quantity index number. Okay, weighted aggregative. Right, the 8th one, you see the 8th one for the price index number. Same, weighted aggregative of what? Weighted aggregative of relative. Weighted aggregative of relative quantity index number. Quantity index number. So what will happen? Q01 is equals to, this denominator will be same, summation of W, denominator will be same. Numerator is what? We was doing P1 by P0. We now will do Q1 by Q0. Whatever we will get, multiply with 100. Very good. Whatever we will get, multiply with W. Very good. That column, this is a new column, that column summation. Ashte. Okay, yeah. See, one thing I have forgotten there. See, what we have written in the Dorbish is, Dorbish-Boyle is what? Arithmetic mean of last series and past series, right? Because we have to do PL plus PP by 2. That is what? Average, mean. So Dorbish is what? Arithmetic mean of last series and past series. So one more thing we will write here for Fishers. What we will write? Fisher. It will be same. Okay. What? Dorbish is arithmetic mean of last series and past series. It will be same for quantity index number also, and will be same for price index number also. So Fisher number. Okay. Fisher number is what? Fisher number is GM. Good morning. No. geometric mean. Fisher number is geometric mean of Lasperi and Pasti. So this is also for the both. Okay, price index number and for quantity index number. Okay, it will not change. Okay, next is that 8, we have 8 method name we have learned for the price index number or index number, and the 8 method, same method we have learned for quantity index number. So what is the change in the formula? The change in the formula is in price index number, wherever we have a P and Q, in quantity index number it will interchange by, means P will interchange by Q and Q will interchange by P. Okay, now next is value indices. Okay, value indices is not for price index or quantity index. Okay, it is just value indices. It is just value indices. So value indices, guys, is very simple. Value indices is what? Is equals to product of price and quantity. Remember the thing. Value is what? Yes, value indices is equal to product of price and quantity. Okay. Formula, yes, very important. Formula, guys, see what is this? Product of price and quantity means summation of price for the current year, quantity for the current year divided by P naught Q naught, right? We will make a one column of P1 into Q1, one column, another column of P naught into Q naught, that summation. Okay, so because see price into quantity, so see price into quantity both for the current year, price into quantity both for the base year, into 100. And guys, one more, V1 by V0 into 100. So this is the value for the current year divided by the value for the base year. Now we have a two formula. Okay, so remember the thing, if they will give, means if they will tell you to find the value indices, and P and Q is given. Okay, if they will tell you to find the, yes, value indices and P and Q is given, we will use this formula, because here PQ. Okay, and same if they will tell you to find the value indices and value is given, V1 V0, value for current year, value for base year. If value is given, then directly we'll use this formula. Guys, sometimes what they will give, sometimes they will give like this, P0 Q0 and V0 V1. What you will do, guys, don't confuse with these two table, the column they will give for confusing. We have a V0 V1, we will use this one, that's it. Why we will not use this? Because we don't have a P1 and Q1. So see what, sometimes they will give extra, so no need of getting like bowing your head there or wasting your time in that extra. So leave that extra, don't worry that they have given the extra means you have to use. No. Okay, they will give sometime to make you confused, so don't waste the time, don't get tensed there. Okay, just leave it and move on. The move on which I don't know, you are not doing in your life. Okay guys, this is very important, note. Okay, remember the thing, very important. If suppose they will say to find consumer price index number. Okay, if they will say to find the consumer price index number, see in the question they will write the method, so no need of anything. Okay, if they will say to find consumer price index number, or if they will say to find cost of living index number, okay, remember the thing, suppose they will tell you to find the consumer price index number, or if they will tell you to find the cost of living index number, or if they will say you to find the aggregative aggregative expenditure method, because aggregative is what, same average expenditure method, or they can say arithmetic mean expenditure method or aggregative expenditure method. Okay, see, whatever they will say, either they will tell you to find the consumer price index number, or they will tell you to find the cost of living index number, or they will tell you to find the this aggregative expenditure method. So whatever consumer price index number or cost of living index number or expenditure method, whatever they will tell you to find, we have to use the formula of Las-Perez index number. Index number means Las-Perez price index number. Okay, remember the thing. If they will tell you to find the consumer price index number, or if they will tell you to find the cost of living index number, or if they will tell you to find the average or arithmetic mean or aggregative expenditure method, what we will do? Yes, we'll use the Las-Perez index number formula, means PL formula. What is the PL formula? Yes, summation of P1 Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. That's it. Okay, next, this is the first. Okay, this is the first note. Okay, next method is there. Okay, that is not the note. Next, guys, if they will say to find the, this is also important, they will ask in the examination to find the family budget method. To find the family budget method. Okay, just understand the formula. When we will do the sums, you will understand it completely. Guys, see here. So here they will ask the two types of question. Here they will say directly find family budget method. Sorry, find family budget. Find family budget. Then we will use this method, or they will say to find cost of living index number. You will be like, before also we have seen the cost of living index number. Yes, very good. Remember the thing. If they will say to find the family budget, this method. And guys, if they will say to find the only they will say find the cost of living index number, and if weight is given, then only we will use this formula. Okay, if they will say find the cost of living index number and weight is not given, only price and quantity is given, then we will use that Las-Perez index number formula. But if they will say to find the cost of living index number and weight is given, then we are using the same family budget. Okay, the formula is summation of W summation of this W what you can say, this P1 by P0 into 100 divided by summation of W. I think so किसी का फॉर्मूला है ये. हाँ, weighted aggregative index number. Okay, so remember the thing. If they will say to find the consumer price index number, if they will say to find the cost of living index number when weight is not given, and if they will say to find the aggregative or average or arithmetic mean expenditure method, what we will use? Yes, we'll use the Las-Perez index number formula, PL. Okay, second thing is, if they will say to find the family budget, or if they will say to find the cost of living index number when weight is given, then we are going to use the formula of what? Yes, we are going to use the formula of weighted aggregative of index method. Okay, so this sometime guys, what will happen, or if they will give P1, P0 and W, we will use directly, or sometime what the formula is, direct summation of W into I by summation of W. So this I, the index number, okay, weight, and in place of P1, P0, they will give the index number. So that time also we have to use the same method. Okay, summation of W means they will give the weight and index number. So we have to find the WI. W into I, W into I, like that. That's summation and then summation of W. Okay, summation of W. Fine. Okay, now now the last topic for this chapter. Last topic for this chapter. I know the chapter will, like, the video will become lengthy, like 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 40 minutes, but the thing is, my intention is to cover up the whole what concept in one video only. So that's why if you'll see the video, it will be a continuity. Okay, the last topic is very important. 2 marks they will ask from this topic. Test for adequacy of index number. Okay, test for adequacy of index number. Test for adequacy of index number. So we'll write, there are 4 tests. There are 4 tests to check. There are 4 tests to check for the adequacy of index number. Adequacy of index number. Adequacy means what? Accuracy. Okay, of index number. Now we'll come for the first method. See guys, whatever the things I am writing here, you write that much only. First is unit test. It will happen in your school and all colleges. Okay, in unit test we'll write formula, the first one. Okay, formula for constructing an index. Formula for constructing an index should be independent. Formula for constructing an index should be independent of price and quantity. Okay, unit test. First the unit test, what it says, the first unit test is say that the formula for constructing an index should be independent of price and quantity, means they will not depend on price and quantity. Second thing, except unweighted aggregative index number. Except unweighted aggregative index number. Okay, except unweighted aggregative index number, all other formula satisfies this test. Okay, you have to remember which formula is satisfying the test, which formula is not satisfying the test. Okay, now the second number, second is time reversal test. Time reversal test. See, time reversal test means we have to reverse the time. Time is what? Previous year to current year and then current year to previous year. Okay, so what we will know here, the index number computed backwards, should be reciprocal, should be index number computed backward should be reciprocal of the index number, should be reciprocal of the index number computed forward. Computed means what? Calculated. Forward. Okay. What is index number computed backward should be reciprocal of the index number computed forward. So this is a formula for time reversal. Time reversal index number means P01 means index number from current year to index number from base year to current year into index number of current year to base year is equals to 1. Okay, because time reversal will reverse the time. So index number means price index number from base year to current year into price index number of current year to base year, which is equals to 1. So next we'll write Las Paris and Pastries, Las Paris and Pastries method. Las Paris and Pastries method do not satisfy this test. Do not satisfy this test. Next we'll write Fisher ideal index number satisfy this test. So you have to remember, okay, which formula is satisfying the test, which formula is not satisfying the test. Now we'll write the third number. Third number is factor reversal test. Third number is factor reversal test. Okay. So here what will happen? Here we see the we see the product of price and quantity. Okay. Product of price means index and quantity index. Product of price index, quantity index. Okay, so product of price index and quantity index is equals to value index. Okay, first thing is what? The product of price index and quantity index is value index. We know that, see, price index number into quantity index number, which is equals to value index number. So value index number is what? When the price and quantity is given. Yes. Summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q0. That's it. Then here we will write only Fisher's index number. Only Fisher's index number satisfy this test. Okay, now see, very important thing is Fisher index number satisfies what? Yes, it satisfies both what? Time reversal, both time reversal and factor reversal. That दरा दे दिया गाइस. So Fisher index number will satisfy both time reversal and factor reversal. Okay, factor reversal test. Because what we have seen before, the Fisher index number satisfy both time reversal and factor reversal test. So it is called as Fisher's ideal index number. Okay, ideal index number. Why? Because it satisfies the both. Fisher's ideal index number. Why? Because satisfy the factor reversal test and the time reversal test. Remember the thing they will ask in the examination. Now the last one, the fourth one is okay, the fourth one is circular test. Circular test. Circular test is what? Circular test will write the first point. It is a generalization, means it is a generalization. It is a generalization of the time reversal test. It is the generalization of the time reversal test. So now next we'll write Las Paris Pasches and Fishers. Las Paris Pasches and Fishers index number do not satisfy this test. Do not satisfy this test. See, all the concept in one video, it will become easy for you. So that's why you will understand all the concept in one video. The next concept, sorry, from the next video, only the problems. Not your life problems, the stats problem. Okay guys, see, there are few formulas what you have to remember, because in the examination they will not ask the problem, they will ask the directly write, like link relative equals. You have to tick it. Okay, link relative equals current year's price divided by previous year's price into 100. This is a link relative. Next is chain index number. Chain index number. So chain index number formula is link relative. Guys, I will write LR. LR means not the logical reason. Okay, link relative of current year. Link relative of current year into, I will write CI. CI means this chain index. CI, chain index. Okay, link relative of current year into chain index of previous year. Chain index of previous year whole divided by 100. Okay. And we know for the base year what we will take. Base year, base period will take as 100 only. Now the formula number 3, not the 3. Next we'll write the formula. Next is, see, the base shifting. Okay, the base shifting or it will be a shifted, see, base shifting or it will be a shifted price index. Okay, we'll say base shifting or we'll say the shifted price index, which is equals to original price index, original price index divided by base shifting or shifted price index. Original price index divided by price index, price index for new base year, price index for new base year into 100. See, the base shifting means what? It's not like that. Baby ko base pasand hai. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, it's not the base shifting. It's a shifting of the base year. Okay, what we will do for the shifting of the base year? Yes, we will make the current year as the base year and the base year will be the current year. Means ulta. Base year will become the current year will become the base year. You'll think that base shifting, baby ko base pasand hai, nanti pata jaate नीचे गाँव में तेजी, लेकिन मेरा baby को बहुत पसंद है. Okay, the next number is, sorry, next formula is deflating value. So deflating value formula is, wait a minute, oh yeah, this is the last one. Okay, deflating value formula is what? Current value divided by price index, current value divided by price index of current year into 100, or we can write deflating value DF. Okay, shit sir, BF didn't come, DF came. No. DF, deflating value, is equals to current value into base price, current value into base price divided by current price. Okay, no hydrate. So this is the end for the concept of injection number. Okay, so this is the end for the that index number concept. In the next video we will solve the problems for the index number. Okay guys, so keep on doing the revisions. If you have any doubt, so please ask in the comment section. If you want to join my Telegram channel for the more test and for the more practice questions, that link is also in the description box. Okay, and the thing is, if your friend, because you are studying from here, you are getting benefited. If your friend is getting struggle or your friend has left the few classes, okay, so you can share my video of that chapter, so your friend also will get benefited. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye, and we'll meet in the next video. So take care.